Hi guys! In today's video, Hidemyacc will guide you on how to set up an Instagram account to increase organic traffic when doing pod or drop shipping. Instagram Reels is an excellent source of organic traffic that you should definitely take advantage of to drive traffic to your sales website. The more your video trends, the more followers you can gain. You can create Reels with various topics for different niches, focusing each account on a specific theme. For the Instagram accounts you purchase, you should log into each one using Hidemyacc profiles and assign a unique proxy for each account. This helps websites recognize each account as a different user and prevents account bans due to multiple accounts. All you need to do is run the Hidemyacc profile and log into the Instagram account with the purchased info. Whether you buy fresh accounts or ones with existing interactions, you'll need to set them up again. This is called optimizing the account for the niche you're working on, so you can target the right audience. Click the 3 lines icon and go to Settings. In the Accounts Center, update the name and username to match the niche you're focusing on. For example, if you're in the health and fitness niche, you could use names like these. If you're stuck, just ask ChatGPT to come up with some names for you. Next, update the avatar with a relevant image as well. Then, move on to the bio. You can check out other people's bios for inspiration or have ChatGPT help tweak yours to make it more attractive. Once the basic account info is optimized, you're done. The last step is to switch from a personal account to a business account. Scroll down to For Professionals, select Accounts Type and Tools, and switch to a business account. Before you start posting videos, you should let the account warm up for at least 3 to 4 days. First, follow people in the same niche so Instagram can recognize your interests. Click on this button, and Instagram will show you related accounts to follow. Since it's a new account, avoid following too many people at once. About 10 to 15 accounts at a time should be enough to prevent being flagged for spam. For interactions, just go to the Reels section and watch related videos. The more videos you engage with that match your niche, the better. After warming up the account, you can start posting videos. So where do you find re-upload sources? The easiest way is to look for accounts in the same niche, find the videos with the highest views, and repost them. Choosing a niche is something you guys doing pod and dropshipping are already familiar with, so I won't go into detail about that. You can also search for videos on TikTok or Douyin. Once you've chosen a video, download it to your device. The most important step is to edit the video so it's different from the original. This is easy to do. You can use CapCut or any video editing software you have. You can flip the video, zoom in a bit, add color filters, etc. The key is to make it look a little different from the original. Don't just re-upload the exact same video. Finally, export the video and save it with a new file name. When uploading videos to Instagram Reels, remember to use the 16:9 vertical ratio for optimal display. Don't forget to include both a caption and hashtags. You can add up to 30 hashtags, but I find that 10 to 15 are enough. If you're unsure which hashtags to use, ask ChatGPT to generate some for you. Just copy them and post the video. And you're good to go. You should aim to post about 2 to 3 videos per day, but don't upload them all at once. It's also a good idea to manage about 10 to 15 accounts simultaneously and interact regularly with each of them. Out of all your accounts, 2 to 3 of them are likely to get traction. When that happens, focus on nurturing those accounts and posting more videos. Once an account reaches around 10K followers, you can start adding your website link. For pod, it could be a shop selling printed items like pet-themed shirts or mugs, while for dropshipping, you could focus on products like pet food or toys. That's the process for setting up Instagram accounts and increasing organic traffic to your website for those doing pod or dropshipping. Besides Instagram, you can also post on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Facebook Reels. The most important thing is to manage multiple accounts and consistently post videos, increasing interaction on each account. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below or contact Hidemyacc's support team via live chat. Wishing you all success.